How to make Spotify play only the songs on your playlist. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and today we will talk about how you can easily make the application Spotify play tracks only from your playlist. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. This video is suitable for those who do not have a Spotify Premium. First, go to the Spotify application and select the playlist you want, or create a new one. Now, if you have a subscription in the application Spotify, then you can only listen to tracks from the playlist you want. But if you have a free version of the Spotify application, then your created playlist should have at least 15 songs. And in that case, you will play tracks that you have chosen and added yourself. If you don't have 50 tracks in the playlist, then your Spotify application can add similar tracks to your playlist. Well, that's it. Now you know how easy it is to get the Spotify application to only play songs from your playlist. Thank you for watching.